Hey guys and girls, this is Atif and you're watching my channel Moon333 where I'm posting the different ideas and different assets, especially on the cryptocurrencies and also educational stuff. If you didn't subscribe to my channel so far, then do subscribe it for more profit potential, trading ideas and educational videos. And do remember that the information I'm sharing here, I'm providing here is for education purpose only. So do your own research and seek a duly licensed professional for any kind of investment advice. Now, in this video, I'm going to show you the Bitcoin new developments in the price action of Bitcoin. In my previous videos, I've been showing you the different stages of the price action of the Bitcoins, and I've just shown you that the Bitcoin is turning more and more bullish with the passage of time. And this was my previous chart, the most recent chart, which I posted on the Tradingview, and I've also posted a video on the YouTube channel and on my different platforms as well. And here you can see the price action was moving in a down channel since June 2019 when the Bitcoin gave us its recent high at $13,880 as per the Bitstamp exchange. And during this period, the Bitcoin was moving up and down, and hitting at the resistance of the channel, and sometimes at the support of the channel. And finally, here in January 2020, the price action has hit at the resistance of the channel again. And here, what I found, I have already shared with you in my previous videos, that after hitting this time at the resistance of this down channel, the price action was turning more bullish. The indicators, the oscillators, and the moving averages were turning more bullish. Therefore, I predicted on the basis of those signals which I've received from different indicators and the moving averages and the oscillators as well, that the price action will have a breakout from this channel. And I posted this chart on 13th of January, and now I'm playing the chart. Take a look here, and we can see now the price action has successfully broken out the resistance of the channel. And here a strong Marubozu candlestick is appeared, which took the price action out from the resistance of this channel. And now we have one, two, three, and this is the fourth candlestick which is closed above this resistance of the channel. Now the price action may move down and use the resistance of the channel as a support, and after that the price action will move more up. Now what can be next? Uh, for that, I'm just taking you to the live chart of Bitcoin. This is the live chart of Bitcoin US dollar, Bitstamp. And on day chart, I've already shown you that the Bitcoin also had a harmonic push cause there was a harmonic pattern formation on the day chart, and it was also reflected up to 2-day chart. And this was a bullish crab pattern, and I've already predicted that after the formation of this bullish crab pattern, the Bitcoin may take the bullish divergence from the potential reversal zone of this bullish shark pattern. Therefore, the price action took the bullish divergence from the potential reversal zone of this bullish shark pattern, and it helped a lot to to have a breakout from the down channel, and now we are above that down channel. And if we move to the week chart back, then we can see what is the next stage of the Bitcoin is we have a minor resistance level for me, in my point of view, this is a minor resistance level because when the Bitcoin was completing its last bear leg so far, um, up to here, the price action tried to move up at this point, and it was not able to cross $9,586. Therefore, this was another minor resistance for the BTC, $9,586. So now the price action can easily hit at this level, and if the price action will have a breakout from this resistance level, then our next resistance level is at $12,325 here. And if the price action will break out this resistance level, then our next stage can be the key level resistance, the final resistance of the Bitcoin, which is at here at 17,200 and almost $35. So we can assume that this is $17,200. Once the price action will break out this resistance level, then the Bitcoin can give us the highest ever point, ever price in the history of the Bitcoin. Now, I'm just waiting for maybe the price action will have some correction, some price correction period, and after that, the price action may hit very soon this resistance level of 9,586 dollars. And I believe that there are a lot of traders who have already placed their sell orders at here at this point. Therefore, the price action can have a little bit struggle here to cross up this resistance level, but uh, I think it will be crossed easily. And this is the major resistance level which I am watching, that it is difficult for the Bitcoin to cross up this resistance level. Let's see well, what the price action will do in the future. When the price action will reach here, then definitely I will post the new videos as per new developments in the indicators and the Bitcoin's price action as well, and the chart pattern as well. And now if I take you to some indicators, like the Ichimoku cloud is a very important indicator. The Japanese took almost 30 years to develop this indicator. Therefore, we should use this indicator. I'll suggest you to use this indicator in your all trades, especially in the long-term trades, because it gives a very powerful long-term bullish signals for the BTC. Like I have already shown you in my previous video how the Ichimoku cloud has been giving us the bullish signals on the week chart, the perfect bullish signals on the week chart. And this time again, the Ichimoku cloud is giving us a bullish signal here. The cloud is turned bullish, and it is not difficult for the candlestick to cross up this bullish cloud. And if we see the lagging span of the Ichimoku cloud, this is the lagging span. I'm just making it more visible and prominent. Then so far it is below the price action. Once the lagging span will cross up the price action, then we can have a really very powerful bullish rally, which can take the Bitcoin to the highest ever price level. But so far it is down, and it is strong bullish. You can see how straight it is moving up to cross up the price action. But if we see on the day chart, it has already crossed up the price action. It is strong bullish on the day chart here. But now I am watching that soon it will be crossed up. It will cross up the price action even up to on the week chart as well. Even if we go to the 2 week chart, then we can see this. So far the cloud is not turned bullish, but it is very squeezed now, and soon it will be turned bullish, and maybe the lagging span even not maybe even you can see so far the lagging span is up above the price action. We just need to have this cloud reverse to the bullish, then a very strong bullish rally can be started. And I'm watching. Uh, it's my expectations, cause as per signals and as per my analysis, I'm watching that Bitcoin. Whenever Bitcoin is hitting any resistance level, it is turning more bullish at this time. So maybe when the cloud will be turned bullish, as it is turning bullish after a huge time period, like it was turned bearish in May 2019, and now it is finally turning bullish. So far, it is not turned bullish, but maybe it will be turned bullish very soon. Maybe in the next candlesticks, or maybe in the current candlestick, it will be turned. However, I'm watching that the price action uh, at this time it is going to hit this resistance level of $9,586, and it can easily break out this resistance level. And if we see the moving averages, just removing this Ichimoku cloud, and I've already set the set moving average templates, and here you can see that on day chart the moving averages are ready to form an alligator mouth very soon. The 25 moving average has crossed up the 50 moving average, and soon it will cross up the 100 moving average, and soon it will cross up the 200 moving average as well. And the 50 moving average will cross up all the moving averages, and then 100 moving average will cross up the 200 moving average, and the 200 moving average will come below all the moving averages, and we will have a complete alligator mouth open like this position. The 50 moving average can move up like this. The 25 moving average will be above all. This is in blue color, and the 50 moving average is in green color, and the 100 moving average will be like in this position, and the 200 moving average will be in this position. When we'll have this position on the day chart completely an alligator mouth is open, then the price action will have a very, very strong bullish rally like we have seen in the previous history of the Bitcoins. Here you can see a complete uh, alligator mouth was open as in March or maybe in April 2019, and after that we have seen that the Bitcoin has given us the recent highest of $13,880 in June 2019, and now the same situation we are having here. It is being formed a new alligator mouth, which will take the price action more up. And if we see when the previous alligator mouth was open, it was quite down here, quite far away from the resistance levels. And now it is more up, more closer to the resistance levels, and even to this resistance level as well. So we can have a very strong breakout from this resistance level, or maybe the price action will break out this resistance level as well. And if we see the different oscillators, like stochastic, then on the week chart we can see the stochastic has given a bull signal, which I've also already depicted in my previous videos as well, that it has given the bull cross, which is a very strong level, a very strong bullish signal on the week chart. And if we see the MACD, So far on the week chart, the MACD is not turned strong bullish, but maybe it will be strong. It will be turned strong bullish very soon, like it was turned here. We can see that the histogram of the MACD is getting squeezed. This is the longest bar, the bearish bar. This is the smaller bearish bar, and here from this point the MACD, the histogram of the MACD was turned weak bearish in dull red color, and after that we can see that all bars are getting squeezed and squeezed, and now we have a very small bar, or maybe the next after next bar will be the strong bullish appeared, like here we have a strong bullish bar was appeared and a strong bullish rally was started, which took the Bitcoin's price action to the $13,880. And once this resistance level will be broken out, then the Bitcoin can hit the final resistance level, the key level resistance that is around at $17,200. And after breaking out from that resistance level, the Bitcoin can give us the highest ever price in the history of the Bitcoin. Nobody can predict about that. Maybe it will be 30,000, maybe it will be 50,000, $100,000. We cannot say anything about that. All the things are assumptions and predictions without any indicators or any analysis. We can only do the analysis as per current situation, and that is the Bitcoin is whenever the Bitcoin is hitting any resistance level, it is turning more and more bullish. So let's wait for the price action to hit this resistance level at $9,586, and then we will see what the further developments of the price line in the price line of the Bitcoin will be. And definitely I will be keep posting the updates on the Bitcoin's price action as per the signals and analysis, and my analysis which I'll receive from the signals, and my experience as well. So keep watching my video. If you like the video, then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel. I am also sharing the link of the Tradingview in the chart description, in the video's description. If you don't have account there, then you can create a free account there, and after that you can find my all charts which I am publishing on the Tradingview. And when you'll be on the Tradingview, after clicking on the link, you just need to select the people option from here and write my name, Moon333, and you'll find my link. And after clicking on this link, you will find all charts which I have published here on the Tradingview. And I'm also sharing the Binance exchange link in the video's description, which has the largest trading volume of every cryptocurrency with the minimum constraints and minimum strong policies. And you can easily trade there. You can easily create the account there. You just need to click on that link, and after that, you'll be able to uh, create your account very easily on the Binance. Take care. Goodbye.